What if I told you there's a way to guarantee your luggage arrives safely while thousands of other bags disappear into airline black holes every single day? Airlines lose over 25 million pieces of luggage annually, but today I'm sharing the insider secrets that frequent flyers use to protect their belongings. These aren't your typical travel tips. These are the methods that airlines would prefer you never discover. Picture this scenario. You land after a long international flight, exhausted but excited for your vacation. You wait at the baggage carousel watching everyone else grab their suitcases while yours never appears. Your entire trip hangs in the balance because everything you need is trapped somewhere in the airline system. But what if you could completely avoid this nightmare? I've spent years collecting intelligence from airline insiders, professional travelers, and security experts to bring you 10 bulletproof strategies that will revolutionize how you handle luggage. Even if you consider yourself a seasoned traveler, I guarantee at least 3 of these will surprise you. Let's start with the foundation of luggage security. Most people make their first critical mistake before even leaving home. They rely entirely on those flimsy paper tags that airlines provide at check-in. Here's what professional travelers know that you don't. Those external tags fall off constantly during the violent journey your bag takes through airport systems. Your solution is creating a backup identity system. Place a waterproof card inside your suitcase with your complete contact information, including international phone codes and your destination address. When external identification disappears, this internal backup becomes your luggage's lifeline back to you. It takes 30 seconds to prepare, but could save your entire vacation. Next, master what insiders call the 80% rule. If you're someone who sits on your suitcase to force the zipper closed, you're creating a disaster waiting to happen. Overstuffed bags are prime targets for catastrophic failure. When zippers are stretched beyond their limits, a single impact can cause them to explode open, turning the baggage area into your personal wardrobe display. There's another danger most travelers never consider. When TSA agents need to inspect overpacked luggage, they rarely have time to repack it properly. Professional travelers never fill suitcases beyond 80% capacity. This creates room for items to shift safely during transport and provides space for souvenirs without risking structural failure. Your luggage material choice can mean the difference between arriving with intact belongings or filing insurance claims. Airport baggage handlers personally use hard-shell luggage because they understand the brutal reality of baggage handling systems. Your soft-sided bag might be lighter, but it offers zero protection against the crushing, stacking, and weather exposure that happens behind the scenes. Hard-shell suitcases aren't just about impact protection, they're also your primary defense against theft. While soft bags can be sliced open with simple tools, quality polycarbonate shells require serious equipment and time to breach. Modern hard-shell options are surprisingly lightweight while providing fortress-level security. Lock selection reveals another common traveler mistake. Using non-TSA approved locks guarantees they'll be destroyed if security needs to inspect your bag. Once that happens, your luggage continues its journey completely unprotected. TSA approved combination locks solve this perfectly by allowing security personnel to open and properly relock your bag using their master keys. Here's a vulnerability that even security-conscious travelers miss. A locked suitcase can still be breached in seconds using just a ballpoint pen. By forcing the pen between zipper teeth, thieves can create openings, access contents, and reseal everything with your lock still appearing intact. The solution is adding bright-colored zip ties through your zipper pulls alongside your locks. These create tamper-evident seals that immediately reveal if someone has accessed your bag. Now we're getting into advanced territory. Modern luggage tracking technology has revolutionized travel security. Smart trackers designed specifically for luggage offer global coverage and extended battery life. When your bag goes missing, you're not just another passenger filing a complaint. You become the person telling the airline exactly where their property is located. This completely flips the power dynamic in your favor. Before you travel anywhere, create what professionals call a digital dossier. When airline staff ask for a description of missing luggage, saying it's a black suitcase with wheels is completely useless. Photograph all 6 sides of your suitcase, capture distinctive markings and model numbers, and document your packed items, organized by category. Store these images in cloud services accessible from any device. This documentation takes 5 minutes but can save thousands in lost items. If you're finding these strategies valuable, hit that like button right now. It helps other travelers discover these insider secrets. Drop a comment sharing your worst luggage experience or best travel hack. I personally read every single comment and often feature the best stories in future videos. Your baggage claim stub is worth thousands of dollars in leverage, yet most travelers treat it like disposable paper. Without that claim check, you have virtually no power when dealing with lost luggage situations. Those numbers connect to comprehensive tracking data showing every scan point your bag passed through. Immediately photograph your claim stub and email it to yourself with clear subject lines, including your destination and travel dates. Most travelers make dangerous assumptions about airline compensation for lost luggage. Domestic carriers cap liability around $3,500, regardless of your bag's actual contents. That expensive camera equipment or designer wardrobe isn't covered beyond those limits. Specialized baggage insurance protects the real value of your belongings and provides immediate emergency funds. Some premium credit cards automatically include superior baggage coverage when you book flights with their card. Here's the ultimate game-changing strategy that separates amateurs from professionals. Most major airlines now use sophisticated RFID tracking systems that monitor your luggage throughout its entire journey. Shockingly, fewer than 20% of passengers actually utilize this free technology. Download your airline's mobile app before traveling. After check-in, locate the bag tracking feature and enable push notifications for status updates. This gives you real-time alerts about your luggage's location throughout your journey. If your bag misses connections or gets misdirected, you'll know before landing and can immediately visit baggage services with specific information instead of waiting helplessly at empty carousels. These strategies transform you from a passive passenger hoping for the best into someone who actively protects their belongings using insider knowledge. The difference between travelers who lose luggage and those who don't isn't luck. It's preparation and understanding how airline systems actually work. Which of these strategies surprised you most? Have you experienced luggage disasters or successfully recovered missing bags using clever techniques? Share your stories in the comments below. Your experiences might save another traveler's vacation. If these insider secrets helped you, smash that subscribe button for more travel intelligence that airlines don't want you to discover.